Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave and I am one night I was messing around the kitchen and I thought, I love rice-a-roni, especially the chicken flavored rice-a-roni. Let's see if I can kind of duplicate that a little bit. Came close, not quite that, but I think you never know what's in those packets, so I'd say if nothing else, it might be a little bit better for you. But anyway, what you'll need is at least 1 cup of rice. I'm gonna do 4 cups, and you'll need vermicelli as well. And I always choose Mueller's if I've got the opportunity to. This isn't exactly 4 cups of rice right here. It's out to about, 3.5 maybe. And I'll fill the rest up with the vermicelli as I break it up. And then, so we'll use 4 cups of chicken broth. And then 2 tablespoons of Knorr's chicken bouillon. So what you'll need is, you'll need butter as well. I'm using a whole stick. So you're only doing 1 cup of rice. Basically the way it works is you do even ingredients. So you got 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. And then as far as the seasoning will go, half a tablespoon for each cup. Say you're doing a cup of rice, maybe you do 3/4 a cup, then you're going to fill the rest of the cup with the vermicelli. You can skip the vermicelli if you want, but I like the way it adds a little bit of a different texture to it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get an Instapot. And yes, sorry about, and I didn't mention that before, but yes, this is done in an Instapot. If you are aware of how to cook rice on the stovetop, you can do it that way too. Just steam it. But always, if it's available for me and able to go in my Instapot, I always use this. I probably use my Instapot at least twice, sometimes 3 or 4 times a week. First thing we want to do is, on the Instapot itself, you want to hit your saute button. And we're going to go ahead and throw the stick of butter in there. While that is melting, we're going to finish up filling up our rice. So you'll take your vermicelli, probably about, maybe a 1/2 inch worth. Just whatever you can break easily in your hand. Make it all even. Of course, the top is not going to be that way at first. And then just grab it like this, and with your thumb, push it off to break it. So just like that. Those are a little bit long. I like them to be about a 1/2 inch at the most. So yeah, we'll do this whole piece right here. Some of them will be large, some of them will be small, but you'll never know. They're gonna be all mixed up with that rice. Let's see how much we've got here. Yeah, we're right at 4 cups. So we'll let that finish melting, and then we will saute it. Okay, so the butter is finished melting. We're going to go ahead and add the rice and vermicelli mix. Then we're going to just start stirring it. Of course, it soaked it up immediately. So we're just gonna do just like if you're making rice-a-roni, just until your pasta starts to get a little golden brown. We'll see if that's possible because this Instapot is not very big, so I don't want it to burn. You know, if you cook it on a stovetop and a skillet, you got a whole lot more surface room for that vermicelli to rest on and cook for a little bit. So ultimately, this will probably be about 3 to 5 minutes of stirring. You want to do it constantly because you don't want that stuff to stick. If there's something that Instapots do not like, it is stuff to be stuck on the bottom. I don't know how it knows it's there, but it will start giving you a burn indicator. This is actually my second Instapot. I've been through one till it was wore out, and now this is my second one. I've had it for probably 2 or 3 years, so it's probably due for another one. Okay, it's definitely darker than when we started. Not sure if you can tell by that or not. The next thing we want to do is go ahead and add our 4 cups of broth. I'm going to turn the Instant Pot off. Add in our two tablespoons of that. Then we're going to give it all a good stir. You can tell I used the broth because it came out, this is a whole lot darker than if you would have used water. That's pretty much it, guys. Lock it into place, it's ready to go. And then all you gotta do is hit your rice button. And what it basically is gonna equate to is 12 minutes at low pressure. So if you don't have a rice button, just do that. Just do 12 minutes at low pressure and you'll be good to go. And it is turned on. Hey guys, just a quick note while the rice is cooking. I pre-measured it before I started filming, so I wasn't able to show you what I'm actually using. It's Mahatma extra long enriched white rice. So just in case you know, it's not wild rice or brown rice or anything like that. Just want to let you know that so that you get the right thing. Okay everybody, the timer just went off, so it's time to release the steam. All right, now you can kind of see how the noodles are a little bit brown, so that did work. You just want to take it and toss it. You can see it's a lot of rice, guys. This video will be out probably Thanksgiving morning, so hopefully you'll see it and you'll have time to go rush to the store. And I think if you put some turkey gravy or some chicken gravy on this along with your Thanksgiving meal, I think this will be excellent. All right, guys, this is looking pretty good here. Let's give it a try, see how it is. fucking hot.
Dang.
That's what it is. But it is good. Like I said, it'll go great with any meat you want. Pork chops, fried chicken, whatever. This video will be posted probably Thanksgiving morning, so you're gonna run out to the store real quick and grab everything you need to make it. I think it would be great with like turkey gravy or chicken gravy or whatever. I think it would set it off. But yeah. Very good. Tomorrow marks the official start of the holiday season, so I'm gonna try to talk Christina into doing her pumpkin bread recipe on here. She gives it as gifts a lot, so it's definitely, people can't wait for the holiday season because her bread is coming out. So we'll see if she will actually do that for us or not. Hopefully she will. But have a great weekend. Get your Christmas stuff up. Have fun with your family. Spend time with them, enjoy them, appreciate them, and we will see you on the next video.